This is a 12-foot long RG8X coaxial cable, 50 ohm. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $21. Comes connected with zip ties, so you will need something to cut those off to get access to it. It does have these little protective covers over the top there. Each end is an SMA male connector. So there's no writing on the cable, but it definitely has a braid inside, and it has a clear plastic coating on the outside. There's a heat shrink covering the join here at each end. I have verified the 12-foot length. I have calibrated my NanoVNA with this short piece of coax. This is at the 2-meter band. When it's not connected, we get negative 82 decibels of loss. I replaced that little tiny 6-inch piece, which I had calibrated the loss out of, with this 12-foot length. And at the 12-foot length, we are getting negative 0.39 decibels, which seems pretty reasonable for 12 feet. Now, I did not zero out the female to female connector that I'm using to connect these two cables together. This cable's been zeroed out, but not that. So I'm adding just a little bit of insertion loss there, and I'm getting, negative 0.41. So basically, this cable is probably, 0.39 to 0.40 decibel loss for 12 feet. This is 144 to 148 megahertz, and the line was very straight, so I expect it will be similar across a wide range of frequencies, but if you're at the gigahertz, 5 gigahertz range, it might be slightly different for you.